Suppose if A bar equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap and B bar equal to BX I cap BY J cap BZ K cap. Suppose vectors given in component form, X component to Y component to Z component form suppose. Then A bar dot to B bar equal to, now this is the dot product. Yes, dot product. AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. So AX means X component of A bar, X component of B bar product, Y component of A bar, Y component of B bar again product, Z component of A bar, Z component of B bar again product. So finally all added. Suppose here minus is there. Yes, minus will. Along with the sign you need to consider the components. So this is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Yes, but actually students now here AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ. Total here 3 components, here 3 components are there. If you multiply all these 3 components with these 3 components, total how many terms now will come? 9 terms will come. But here only 3 terms written. What about the remaining 6 terms? 6 terms become 0. Why means? First term AX, BX, okay. AX, BY. Why AX, BY 0? Because AX is X component, X direction. BY is Y direction. Angle between X, Y is a 90. Cos 90, 0, right? That's why AX into BY, AX into BZ, zeros. But AX into BX, why means both X direction angle is a 0, cos 0, 1. That's why AX into BX into cos 0, indirectly AX BX. AX BY 0, AX BZ means indirectly cos 90, 0. Similarly, AY BX 0, AY BZ 0. AY BY is left, so that's why here it is. AZ BX 0, AZ BY 0, AZ BZ now finally came here. So this is now final dot product. It's one number only. For example, students, A bar equal to, suppose 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap. And here B bar equal to I cap plus 5J cap minus 2K cap suppose. Now A bar dot B bar equal to, A bar dot B bar equal to, yes, again same similar to that, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, right? Yes, now finally minus 5, minus 6, minus 11 plus 2, minus 9. So final answer, that is dot product of these two given vectors, is a minus 9. Minus 9 is the dot product of this example. This is a general. And the students, next to A bar dot B bar equal to, we know, AB cos theta. From this, AB cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar, that is A bar dot B bar divided by AB is nothing but a cos theta. Therefore, cos inverse of A bar dot B bar divided by AB is a theta. So suppose any two vectors given in component form, you can find the angle between those two vectors from the dot product. Yes, angle between these two vectors is cos inverse A bar dot B bar by AB. Yes, this is already one example is there. Yes, I will tell. Angle between these two vectors. So suppose theta is angle between these two vectors. Cos inverse A bar dot to B bar. Yes, A bar dot B bar already completed minus 9. Divided by A. A means magnitude of A bar. Yes, A bar is this. Magnitude under root 2 square, that is 4. Minus 1 square, that is 1. 3 square, 9. This is A completed. Next to B, under root 1 square, 1. 5 square, 25. Minus 2 whole square, plus 4. Now, angle theta equal to cos inverse minus 9 by that. Yes, this is 9 plus 1, 10, 14, root 14 into root, yes, 30. So now, angle theta equal to cos inverse minus 9 divided by root over, this is 14 into 30. So that is angle between these two given vectors, one example. So from the dot product, we can find angle between two vectors if component forms are given. Yes, take from here to here. Yes, so students, in case of dot product, A bar dot B bar equal to B bar dot A bar. A bar dot B bar equal to B bar dot A bar. Yes, in mathematics now it is known as commutative property. So dot product follows that property. A bar dot B bar or B bar dot A bar, both are the same. Next, A bar dot B bar plus C bar is nothing but A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. Yes, students, B bar plus C bar is one vector because B bar plus C bar is one vector. Vector and again here vector, dot product. So this is equal to A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. So dot product follows distributive property also. So this is a dot product. Yes, next time any problem there on dot product? Yes, now here two forms. Number one, magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar, and theta will give. That is AB cos theta. Otherwise, no components like this will. So now this is the method. So next to, suppose two vectors like this. Now two vectors they will give. In this now one component they will be unknown component. Finally, what they give now, these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Then find the missed component. How to find out? Yes, students, two vector perpendicular. Angle between those two is 90. What is the dot product? 0. Dot product formula what? Ax bx plus ay by plus az bz equal to 0 because perpendicular. Yes, in this product, suppose one component to unknown component, either here, or here, anywhere. Can you find or not? So that is also now problems will be asked. Okay, now dot product closed. Moving to another important product, cross product. Ready?